Hello everyone, my name is Ivona, and in the following minutes you will be able to see how I created the look for my entry in the doll search contest organized by NYX Cosmetics. I found my inspiration in the wayang doll from Indonesia, a doll very dear to me that accompanies me every day in my workshop. The first step in creating my character was to make the doll's headpiece. I sketched the crown and then I cut the material and glued together several pieces until I was near the desired form. The next step was to give it the curved form with a hot air hairdryer, and then I cut and glued again. With the pyrography gun, I textured the headpiece, replicating the original model. I used acrylics to paint the headpiece and the earrings that I switched in the meantime. I prepared the products that I will use for the makeup. I will use special face and body paint and also makeup products. I started by gluing my eyebrows and whipping out the excess. Then I used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder to set everything in place. With a synthetic brush, I applied NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone on my eyebrows to hide them, on my upper eyelid and around my eyes. Then, using an eyeliner, I sketched my makeup design. Because I wanted my character not to be an identical copy of the original doll, I kept elements from the original design on half of her face, and the other half I made suitable for a haunted doll house. I went down with the sketch on the chest. The next step was to apply the colors. I started with the base color on the chest, then the neck, shoulders and ears, and then the face. My doll has a lighter base on the face as opposed to the body, so I applied a different color to the face. I then painted the eyebrows. I applied the base to the rest of the face and then I went deep into the details. This is my look for the Doll Search Contest 2020. I hope you like it. See you!